review an action camera, that is SD6 Legend. This one is the SD6 Legend. If you are interested to purchase, then you can purchase from the link that I mentioned in the description. So let's unbox it now. So in the top of the box, it is mentioned that it has Wi-Fi and it is water resistant and it has gyro sensor and it can record videos up to 4K resolution. Wow, this is the touch backdrop, the cable, the battery, 1000 mAh battery, is very good. Here's the user manual. These are the mounts. Let's keep it. So this is the only camera where you'll get lots of mounts. In other cameras you won't get these types of many mounts. So this is the camera. So this is the camera. Here is the front screen and these are the LED lights indications for Wi-Fi, battery and recording status. And this is the lens and this is the power button and this is the setting button. Let's turn it on. Okay, so it's brilliant. This is also a setting button and you can alternatively go from here. So you can see it can record up to 4K 24ps. The top resolution is here. It's very good. So this is my helmet Steelbird Air and now I have already mounted my action camera in my helmet. You can see. Press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon and never miss updates.